Hi, I'm Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this 2024 S22. The outside of this boat has ocean blue with the blackout package, and with that you get the really cool black rub rail and then the black railing on the bimini top. So give you a nice look at this boat from the outside. As you come around, we'll see here that we have the Yamaha 150 on it and the ski tow bar and the matching black ladder to go with that. And then we're gonna go up and show you the rest of the boat on the inside. Okay, now that we're inside the boat here, I'm gonna go over the interior. We did the silver with the ocean blue, and then we have the graphite accent. This boat has the 80% cutout, so you can put your cup holders in here and then throw all kinds of good stuff down there, phone, purse, whatever. So it gives you a lot of extra storage, nice long bench seats. Does come with a table. This layout does come with the co-captain chairs, so a comfortable layout. And then over here on the dash, pretty exciting. It's got the Garmin, Rockford Fosgate, and it's got the new kind of sporty streamlined dash with the new little sport windshield on it. And this is the swing back. So you get the versatile seat. This will flip either way. Pull it up. We'll flip this way. It's easier if you just do it like this. And then you can sit here and lay out on this big layout pad and hang out. So really cool setup. So come and check out this 2024 S22 Bennington. We have many more. This will be on our website here at the store also. And then you can call us at 864-236-9005.